Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still sideways. Gold is trading in a range. And it should not be surprising because we were expecting a range-bound market, or we were expecting a silent market. But if you look at the economy calendar today, we can see that we have a news coming up during the US session, initial jobless claims data. So it will bring some volatility. Okay, it may not be able to provide a reaction to the market like CPI and NFP, but still we can expect that during the initial jobless claims data, market will be volatile. So please be careful, especially if you're a beginner, new trader. Okay, do not try to gamble at the time of news. News trading is very lucrative because of fast moves, but maximum people lose money at the time of news. Do not forget it. Protect your hard-earned money. Okay, you have worked hard to earn money. You need to protect it. Okay. Now let's look at the market sentiment here. Gold edges higher as weak US data lifts Fed rate cut bets. Gold steady as investors await more cues from Fed officials. So this is the current market sentiment for gold. Gold is steady in early Asian trade as investors await more cues from Fed officials on the US central bank's future monetary policy path. Recent comments from Fed officials have provided mixed signals over the timeline and pace of rate cuts in 2024 and 2025, which is capping any significant upswing in the precious metals price, says Priyanka Sachdeva. So this is the current market condition, and you can expect the market to remain sideways. Do not expect a clean trending market going up, market going down. Okay, if the same market sentiment remains, we can expect the market to remain like this. Okay, and if any news comes out, that's a different chapter. Okay, obviously geopolitics will bring a lot of volume in the market, then we need to follow the trend of the market. But at this moment, okay, market will remain sideways, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. And one more thing I would like to add here is that, okay, today we have a live session on Instagram, okay, regarding the uh, Forex trading in India. Okay, if you have any doubts, questions, feel free to join the live session and ask me questions. 2 days ago, I uploaded a video on the channel, okay, regarding Forex trading legality in India, and there have been lots of doubts and questions. So if you have any doubts, please join the session, okay, and clear your doubts, okay. Okay, and this is my Instagram, they call it handle, yeah, Instagram handle or username. You can see here the dot trader next door. Okay, there are lots of scammers online, so please go with the blue tick. Okay, I'll also provide the link in the description. And finally, our 3 days workshop is starting from tomorrow. Thank you so much for all the love and support. So if you're still interested, you can join now because it will close by tomorrow. Okay, I have already mentioned many times, okay, about the 3 days workshop, 1 month support. So if you're still interested, okay, you can sign up from the link in the description. Okay, you'll find all the details on the website. Now let's talk about gold. Okay. So the levels that we discuss, the major levels that we discuss are still the same. Okay. At this moment, we can see that market has reversed from the level resistance of 2337, 23341 that we already discussed in a previous video. So market may struggle again to clear this level. By the European session or US session, okay, if market shows volatility or volume, obviously by US session volume will be there. So if market break, if you see the market is going up and market is standing at 2337 or 2341 with a big green candle, what do you think? What you should do? You should obviously avoid. Okay, you should obviously avoid taking a sell. So already we have received our sell opportunity, so no need to take any more sell position around 233741 area. The opportunity is gone. Now by the US session, if you see market is bullish, then you can look for a buy position above 2341. But be careful, volume is extremely important because we have already discussed many times, plenty of times in this channel, that without volume, okay, breakouts may turn into false breakout. So try to look for a breakout by the US session only, because US session brings volume. So if market breaks 2341 with a good size of a candle, green candle, you can look for a buy position, but follow proper risk management too. And then we have the next resistance around 2350. Already we have discussed in our previous level. Okay, so not previous level, previous videos. 2350 is psychological level. Along with that, okay, we also have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. But you need to be careful. Suppose by the US session, okay, you have taken a buy at 2341, 2342, and market is very bullish. In that case, market may break 2350 also. Okay, so before taking a sell, get the confirmation whether market is showing price rejection from above or not. Sometimes we have a bad habit of trading blindly. My reference, okay, trading, okay, you cannot trade blindly. We need to protect our capital. Okay, we have many levels on the chart. Okay, we have many levels on the chart, but you cannot trade on each and every level. You will blow your account. So if you see the market is bullish above 2341, then you can look for a buy, and you need to observe the market around 2350. If you see market is reversing from 2350, then only go for a sell. Do not expect a complete trend reversal, because if market is very bullish, then chances of market reversing completely by 2350 is very less. Okay, so in that case, you can expect a profit of 40 pips. Those who don't know 40 pips, it's I'm talking about $4 more. So once market will hit 2350, so you can switch to a lower time frame like 50 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior. If market shows price rejection from above, go for a sell. You can put your TP1 around 40 pips. If you see the selling pressure is high, then you can continue with the sell position. But initially, do not expect much, because we are expecting a reversal from 2350 after a breakout. Keep in mind. Okay. And the second selling opportunity may come around 2366. 2367, because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So this is our second resistance. Okay. And right now, okay, right now as market is trading very closely to 2350. So and we have a news coming up during the US session, so please be careful. Okay. And the buy opportunities that we have discussed in our previous video are still the same here. We have the best support around 2287. Okay, the significant low made by the market, but that level is far away. So we are also looking for buy around 2300, 2304. We have already discussed, nothing has changed. But during the day, okay, especially before the US session, okay, if you see market is coming down, okay, in that case you can look for a quick and risky buy. Okay, mind my word, risky. Okay, risky buy means high risk buy around 2319, 2322. These are the two levels where we can look for a risky buy before the US session. Okay, the reason is we are simply using FIBO here. We have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and here we have FIBO 50% retracement level. You can see we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around 2326. Okay, so you can also draw a FIBO like this. If market comes to the level and market bounces, you can look for 20-25 pips. Okay, before right now we do not have much volume in the market. So in this market condition, if we can score 20 pips, that is also good enough. So let's wait and watch. But again, I'm repeating, my dear friend, yesterday also we discussed in detail that in this market condition, buy at support, sell at resistance seems to be the best trading strategy, or always the best trading strategy. But we lose patience. Okay, we need more trades, frequent trading opportunities. That's why we enter on the middle of the chart. We are entering on the middle of the chart. That doesn't mean that we are doing a right job. Okay, so do not expect much. So when you enter around 2319, 2323 area, keep in mind we are entering on the middle of the chart, so it is a high risk trade. So here, taking a buy at 2300, 2287 are much more reliable and less risky trading opportunities. So let's wait and watch. Okay, be careful, follow proper risk management, because market has been very crazy for the last couple of weeks. Okay, do not gamble. Again, I'm repeating. Bye-bye, take care. Because this is my analysis, I can be wrong also, isn't it? After all, we are all traders, okay, and there is no 100% accuracy in the market. But still, we are trying our best, isn't it?